guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the Essence You Better Work Tinted Day Cream, and this is supposed to be gym proof and waterproof, and I just got curious about it so that I wanted to share my review with you guys as well. I'm also going to show you a little demonstration on how it applies, then also a before and after so that you guys can decide whether you should buy it or not. And my name is Melissa van Dijk, I'm a makeup artist, and let's get started. Now I bought the Essence You Better Work Tinted Day Cream at my local drugstore because I got curious about the claims, because it says that it's gym proof and waterproof, which on one hand it makes me feel like it's long lasting, and on the other hand I'm just curious about seeing like, is it actually gym proof, like if you're actually doing your workout. So I've tested this one as well, and I'm going to share my thoughts later on. But they also say that it's a mattifying tinted day cream, as it says right here, the anti-shine, and also the skin perfection. And it's also like the perfect tinted day cream for a no makeup look. And maybe you're like me, I like to wake up in the early morning, I like to do my workout, and then I'm going into the day with doing my work. But you might also be the opposite than I am, and you're going to wake up, prepare yourself for school or work, and then later on you're going to do like your gym session. So that you want to make sure that the product you're going to apply on your face, that it's long lasting, and you don't have to worry about them during the day, so that they stay put. So I know that feeling, and this is also how I personally feel. So this is why I wanted to try this out myself and see how it performs. Now they have one only like little drawback already, and this is they only have 2 shades available. You have the 10 light and the 20 medium. I bought the lightest one, which is still a little bit too dark for my skin tone. So if you're lighter than me, then it can be tricky, but if you're like me or a little bit darker towards the medium section, then this one is a beautiful shade for you guys as well. I just can apply it on a light layer, because if I'm going to apply it a little bit heavier, then you just will see the huge difference, because I'm pretty pale. But I still want to give it a go. I still wanted to show you the demonstration before and afters, so that you can decide whether or not you should buy it for yourself. So let's have a look at the demonstration. I would recommend applying it with your fingers, as this is first the quickest way, and second, this is how I've applied it the last days, and this worked beautifully for me, and it just will blend the product definitely into the skin. Now, as I'm going to use a light layer, I'm just going to use it like 1 dot per face area, and as you can see, it's pretty liquidish, and the tone itself is very orange, which I don't understand why they've done it so orange for a light skin tone, because it says that it's light. So normally with lighter skin tones you don't want to add too much orange on it, but for some part I also do understand why they've done it, because orange is basically like has yellow in it, and this can also neutralize redness. Like, it won't be completely gone, but it just can neutralize those areas, as for example on my chin area. Now it's less visible as before, and I'm also going to show you later on the before and after so that you can see it for yourself as well. And I personally find that it's going to neutralize those areas quite a lot for the light base that I'm going to use. Of course, if you're going to use a little bit more, then you definitely will see also a little bit more of a bigger difference, but I just can't use that much. Now, as I'm going to apply it, I also find that the texture of itself is very interesting, because it's pretty liquidish. It still has a lot of color in it for a tinted day cream, and it applies seamlessly. Like, if you're going to blend it into the skin, it just applies that easy, and it also dries, like kind of dries into the skin, which makes it long lasting. So it's not really sitting on top, but it's going to really soak into the skin, which is something that's very interesting. And also, if you're going to apply it, you feel that it's kind of interesting, like I don't know how I can explain that feeling, but I just feel like if you're going to blend it into the skin, it's kind of blending into the skin, but then at one point you notice that it's going to dry and it stays put where you're going to apply it. So what I would recommend is use circular motions, blend it into the skin, and once you're done, just don't touch it again, because then it will stay put for the whole day. Now I'm just going to complete the blending and applying it, and then I'm also going to show you the before and after. Now here you can see the before and after, and as you can see, it gives you a light coverage but still will look very natural, as they already say on the packaging that it's definitely a no makeup look, and it just will even out your skin, and also the appearance of redness will be a little bit less. Now personally, when it comes to the Essence You Better Work Tinted Day Cream, because it says gym proof, I've tried it out while I was doing my workout. I did sweat quite a lot, it was also hot, and it's this put. But I still don't like the feeling wearing makeup while I'm doing my workout, and this is also something that I wouldn't recommend you guys as well, because if you're going to do your exercises, your workout, your walks, whatever you're going to do to keep yourself fit, I just would tell you guys that you should focus on what you're doing at that moment, and you shouldn't look at your beauty or that you need makeup on your skin, etc. Because I don't believe that this is healthy for your skin either, because you're going to sweat and are getting hot during the day, and also while you're going to do the workout, your pores can open up pretty well, and then you're going to basically absorb all the makeup products, and this is not what you want. You want to keep your skin healthy. And I just would recommend you that you're going to use this one afterwards, like once you're done with your workout, then apply this one, because it is so easy and quick to apply, like it won't take you a lot of time. Now, with that being said, I like to use it on a daily basis, not while I'm doing my workout, just because I believe that this will give you a beautiful and natural finish, and it stays put. It's not going to be sticky whatsoever if you feel like you can powder it, depending also on your skin type. And this is basically how I feel about the product. Now, I also want to mention that if you have a dry skin, for example, then I would recommend using a moisturizer underneath and then apply this one on top, because this can be a little bit drying if you have already a dry skin type. But if you have normal to oily, then you can also use it on its own. Now, with that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this review. I hope that you like it. If you have any experience with the Better Work Tinted Day Cream, you're also welcome to share them down below in the comment section. And yeah, that's what I want to share with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!